jiruhe. Again, jiruhe. What does it mean? We will find out later because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about JIRUHADA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 374. 지루하다. Again, 지루하다. This is pronounced as a 4-syllable word. The first syllable is ji, second syllable is ru, third syllable is ha, and fourth syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. 지루하다. 지루하다. The word 지루하다 means to be boring or tedious. So it's boring in the sense that it's repetitive, or it's the same thing all over again. You'll know more about this word later on, but for now, let's learn first how to write this in Hangul. So this is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable J, we need to draw a J at an E character. For the second syllable Ru, we need to draw a real and U character. For the fourth syllable Ha, we need to draw a Hil and A character. And for the last syllable Da, we need to draw a Dikat and A character. And then we just need to combine this to write JIRUHADA in Hangul. So again, the meaning of the word JIRUHADA is to be boring, in a sense that it's repetitive or tedious, or it's the same thing all over again. And this could be conjugated into JIRUHE, which is its present tense form. Again, JIRUHADA means to be boring, and JIRUHE, the present tense form of JIRUHADA, means it's boring, or the present state of being boring. Again, JIRUHADA means to be boring, and JIRUHE means it's boring. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of the expression JIRUHE is it's boring. And with that, you've just learned JIRUHADA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 364 to 373. But don't forget our word for today, word number 374, JIRUHADA, which means to be boring or tedious. The first word for our review is word number 373. It's kundewe, which means but why. Next word is 몰랐어, which means I did not know. Next word is 잘했어, which means good job, or this could also be used to say job well done. Next word for our review is 바쁘다, which means to be busy. Next word is 존댓말, which means formal speech. Next word is 단어, which means individual word. Next word is 병원, which means hospital. Next word is 똑같은, which means same. Next word is 피, which means blood. And the last word for our review is word number 364, 반말, which means informal speech. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.